Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you.
Good morning, Michael. How are you today?
Good morning, Emily. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I feel happy today. How about you?
I feel good too. It's a nice morning to practice English.
What will you do today?
I will read a book at the park. What about you?
I will practice English and maybe take a walk. It's time for me to go. See you later, Michael.
See you, Emily. Have a great day and keep practicing English.
I learned how to greet people and ask simple questions today.
Yes, Emily, great job. Practice daily and your English will improve fast.
Excuse me, Michael. Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, Emily, just wait calmly and get on when it arrives.
Riding the bus feels peaceful. I like practicing English while traveling.
That's smart. Using English during daily trips helps a lot.
Hello, can you take me to the city center, please?
Yes, Emily. Sit comfortably and we will arrive soon.
Excuse me, Michael. How can I get to the bus station from here?
Go straight and turn left. It is very close.
The weather feels nice today. Not too hot and not cold.
Yes, Emily. Good weather makes walking and talking enjoyable.
These apples look fresh. Can you tell me the price today?
Yes, Emily. They cost $2 per kilo and are very good quality.
Can I pay with my card or do I need cash?
You can use your card, Emily. Just place it here and wait.
Excuse me, is this product good quality and easy to use?
Yes, Emily. Many customers like it and use it daily.
Thank you for helping me today. I enjoyed speaking English.
You are welcome, Emily. Your English sounds more confident.
I practiced asking prices and paying today.
Yes, Emily. Reviewing helps you remember phrases better.
Doctor, I feel tired and my head hurts since morning. Can you help me?
Don't worry, Emily. Please tell me if you have fever or pain elsewhere.
I do not have fever, but I feel weak and sleepy most of the day.
Thank you, Emily. Please rest today and drink water after taking medicine.
Hello, the doctor gave me this paper. Can I get the medicine now?
Yes, Emily. Take this twice daily after food. It is safe.
I learned how to describe symptoms and get medicine today.
Yes, Emily. Daily practice helps your English feel natural.
Speaking English at the doctor was easier than I thought.
Yes, Emily, you did very well. Keep practicing.
Hello, I would like chicken and rice, please, and a glass of water.
Sure, Emily. I will bring your food soon. Please relax.
Can I pay here, please? Do you accept card or only cash?
We accept both, Emily. Choose what is easier for you.
Good morning. Can I have eggs and bread, please? I am very hungry.
Good morning, Emily. Yes, of course. Please take a seat.
Excuse me, how can I go to my room from here?
Take the elevator and turn right. Your room is nearby.
I practiced ordering food and asking for directions today.
Yes, Emily. Simple phrases like these are very useful.
Hello, I want to check in for my flight. Here is my passport.
Thank you, Emily. Please place your bag here and wait.
Should I put my phone and bag in the tray before walking?
Yes, Emily. Place them here, then walk forward slowly.
Is my gate far from here?
No, Emily, it is very close. Just follow the signs.
Excuse me, what time does the flight leave?
It leaves at 10:30 a.m., Emily. You still have plenty of time.
I learned how to check in and go through security today.
Yes, Emily. Using English while traveling is very useful. Well done.
Excuse me, Michael. Can you tell me the time, please?
It is almost 6 o'clock, Emily. You still have plenty of time.
It is a nice evening, isn't it?
Yes, Emily. Perfect weather for walking and speaking English.
Excuse me, how can I go to the bus station from here?
Go straight and turn left, Emily. It is very close.
Is there a park near here?
Yes, it is just 2 blocks away. You can walk easily.
I can now ask for time and directions easily.
Yes, Emily. Small daily practice builds confidence fast.
Is it okay to speak slowly when I am not sure?
Yes, Emily. Slow speaking is very good for learners.
I feel more confident now. English is not scary anymore.
That confidence shows, Emily. Your speaking sounds natural.
Your support helps me speak English without fear.
Helping you learn makes me happy, Emily.
What is the best way to practice English every day?
Speak a little daily, Emily. Even short talks help.
Today I used English many times and I feel happy.
That happiness means you are improving well.
Sometimes I forget words, but I try again.
That is perfect, Emily. Never stop trying.
I will sleep well tonight after practicing English.
Good rest helps your brain remember everything.
Good night, Michael. Thank you for helping me today.
Good night, Emily. Keep believing in yourself.
I feel ready to practice English again today.
That energy will help you learn faster.
Reviewing simple phrases makes speaking easier.
Yes, Emily. Simple phrases are powerful.
Now I speak English without fear of mistakes.
That is real progress, Emily.
Maybe one day I will dream in English.
That day is coming sooner than you think.
If I can learn English, you can learn too.
Practice daily and enjoy learning.
English is part of my daily life now.
That is the best way to learn.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Keep speaking English and believe in yourself.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like and share this video.
And subscribe to Mr. English Clips for more easy English lessons every day.
See you next time. Keep practicing and have fun learning English.